Total Fitness today. This is the first gym I ever had a membership at, and it helped change my life.
Favorite thing about this gym is Zumba classes. It's really fun. It's a good community to dance with. We have a really good time working out and dancing together. So
I like it here. I've been training here for about over 3 years. It's a place to be.
Alright, Total Fitness is way better than the base gym. It helped me a lot with a lot of my fitness goals.
And I just wanted to say that I love this place. You have so many different machines and things at your fingertips that you can do.
Been a member for 6-7 months now. It's a great gym. Pretty much have everything you need here. And again, it's not packed. Pretty much have every machine you want.
I've been a member for close to a year now. I just love that there's a lot of open machines and a good space to work out.
Now it has helped me a lot with softball, so I encourage anyone of my age to come back to the gym, stay fit. Again, we're not getting any younger.
This gym, I like Total Fitness because the staff's really friendly, the equipment's nice and clean, and most of the patrons here are pretty helpful.
I enjoy coming here because I love the staff. For one, when I walked in here, they had a great smile. They embraced me. The other thing I noticed here too, how clean and how convenient the facility was.
So I encourage all of you to come down and check it out. There's a sauna, a steam room, there's all kinds of neat stuff.
I love this gym. It's the best gym in Twin Mountain.